Hello! So today we are down at the Ashford Hotel and Spa, Ashford International Hotel and Spa. Absolutely gorgeous. Glamorous assistant with me today is...
Victoria from the Chamber.
Why are we here, Victoria from the Chamber?
We are at our monthly KMFG, which is the Kent Manufacturing and Engineer Focus Group.
And we've got talks going on today. I've already seen all the seats set up. Oh, by the way, I've just got to say, talking about engineering, I broke down last week when I went to Canterbury University. I worked out what it was. Yeah, I worked out what it was. It was the EGR valve. I ordered one. I replaced it myself, and the car's now moving still.
See, there'd be experts here.
I know. I had to get it in. I fixed it myself. I did it all on my. I had gloves on. Like it was just amazing.
I don't know. I think you need one of these guys to come and check it.
My son said, "Should we get it checked?" Anyway, we're going to go and do some networking, some mingling. We're going to drink some coffee. There'll be no coffee review because I've reviewed this coffee before, so there's no review to do.
Oh right, was it all right?
Yeah, it was all right. Middle of the park.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was
okay.
around there.
All right.
Anyway, tatty bye.